What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here, and I'm going to do something a little different. I'm actually going to talk about 5 beginner motorcycle travel mistakes, and I got these tips. I got these specific tips from 40 Times Around. You need to check them out. These are the tips that he came up with. I want to give my opinion on it, but before I do that, make sure you guys leave this video right now. Leave the video right now. Go to his video, watch it, and then come back, okay? I'll give you 2 seconds. 1, 2, cool. Welcome back. We're going to talk about 5 beginner motorcycle travel mistakes that 40 Times Around came up with. All right? All right. Not taking enough pictures or videos. That's huge. Not taking enough pictures or videos. That's something that during my own little travels, I purposely try to take a bunch of pictures. It kind of helps out that I do have a camera on my face, and it does help out that I pay attention to all that, and I have a bunch of equipment. But the one thing you can do, you don't need all this stuff. You can just use your phone. Cell phones nowadays are amazing. I have actually been doing my live streams on my cell phone. I've been taking the best pictures and video on my cell phone. It's crazy good. So might as well do that. And the reason why I think he says not taking enough pictures, and my opinion on all this is that, remember, everything's digital nowadays. Everything is digital. You could delete pictures if you don't like them. If they turn out crappy, you can erase them. Back in my day, we had disposable cameras. You only had like 24 pictures that you could take, and you didn't know if they came out good, so you saved them. So nowadays, you youngsters, I'm only 31. Anyways, you youngsters should be taking some pictures. Take some videos. Who cares? If it turns out crappy, delete it. Back it up to the cloud. Delete it later. Who cares? Number 2 that he talks about was not meeting new people. Meeting new people is pretty important. It's something I don't even like doing because I like being by myself. I'm pretty antisocial. But here's the thing. When I'm traveling, when I'm going around places, I think to myself, I'm never going to see this person again. If I screw up, if I say something dumb, I'm never going to see this person again. Who cares? So I'm out, being an idiot, not like, a disrespectful idiot, but I'm out there being a child. I'm being a little kid again, carefree, having fun. And then when I do meet people, when I do say hi to them, I'm just like, I'm having that smile on my face, talking with a smirk, kind of how I talk in my videos sometimes. And I'm just having fun. And I've never been in this neighborhood, so I'm just kind of riding around. And that's a great thing to do when you meet new people. And who knows, you might see them again because you might make a friendship. Who knows? Who knows? So just go out and meet some people. Don't keep your eyes down. You're out traveling. You're having fun. It's a vacation or business or whatever it is. And just do it. All right, so not making food a part of the journey. Now, this is something that I try my best to do with Nikki, and she's really good about it with me, is that we'll go out and we'll, let's take Sedona, for instance. Man, this is all freaking cobblestone crap. Pavers. What is everybody looking at me for? Anyways, we go out to Sedona for an example, and I mean, there's McDonald's, there's Burger King, there's all the typical places, but we purposely choose a local family-owned business or something that we've never been a part of, and we'll eat there. And we'll try our best to have one time out. So like we'll either eat dinner one day, or we'll eat lunch one day, or breakfast another day. So we'll try to do something like that, and obviously budgetary reasons will prevent you from some of that stuff. But make it part of your journey. Budget for the food also. Budget for one time out at least. And try something that is very good. Yelp is an easy way to figure that out. But definitely look for something local. And don't be scared of hole-in-the-wall places. We went to a bar slash diner slash restaurant slash whatever. And we went in with the kids 2 years ago. Or last year, whatever it was. 2017, December 2017. And we went in there thinking, okay, whatever, we just want to grab a beer, whatever. The burgers were amazing. The staff was friendly. Everyone was chill. It was a great experience, and it's someplace that we want to go back to again. Not enough cushion days. Cushion days, man. Usually what happens is that I'll plan for like a weekend trip. So we'll say Saturday, Sunday. We'll leave possibly Friday. The best thing you can possibly do is add an extra day somewhere. Add something somewhere. Either add it on the Monday, or add it at the end, or add it at the beginning. Do something like that. Add it. You're gonna be surprised how much more relaxed, because when you first get there, you're not relaxed. You finally got there, you're just, I just want to sleep, I want to eat, I want to whatever, that day's kind of ruined, and then the day you leave is kind of ruined. So in order to make up for that, give yourself an extra day. And it really does make a difference. It's what we've been doing lately on our trips. I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here. I'm gonna do some DDFM training manual stuff. And give yourself that extra day. He talks about poor budgeting. Now, budgeting plays a huge role in all of this stuff, all of it. I mean, not taking enough pictures and videos. So let's say you didn't have a good camera or whatever, or you want to budget for Ye 4K. Anyways, making food part of the journey, you need to budget for that. You need to, give yourself a little bit extra. Not enough cushion days. You're gonna have to probably get another sick day or get another holiday that you possibly can, or budget for that extra hotel room or whatever it is that you're doing. And you need to budget for it. And honestly, it's not saying, hey, you need to come up with more money. You need to, spend more money to have a good vacation. You really don't. But here's the thing is that in order to get the most out of your vacation itself, you do have to give yourself, an extra cushion day, and you're going to have to budget well, because you don't want to get up to the spot where you're at and say, you know what, I don't have enough money to, go out to eat and enjoy this good food that I see people are having, in this local area. I can't stay an extra day because, I can't afford it, or I have to go back to work. These are all things that you could hopefully build up before you go on vacation. If you have to, wait a month, wait 2 months, wait till next year so you can have a bigger vacation if you have to. That's up to you. But then again, if you want to just do a quick 2-day thing and that's your thing, good for you. But once again, I just want to say thank you to 40 Times Around for coming out with this video and coming out with this content. He has some great stuff. I've been sharing a lot of his things. I've been rating his channel with comments. But this is something I'd like to keep trying. So once again, these were 5 beginner motorcycle travel tips that 40 Times Around came up with. And these were his bullet points, and I decided to go ahead and talk about them myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And go subscribe to him. Go check his videos out. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you later.